concrete. Oh my God, look, the sidewalk is gone. The sidewalk is gone from, definitely from the surge. Look at that. Unbelievable. And here's a canal. Look at people's homes. Really, really bad. So a lot of times in these canals in the neighborhood, the water will be rushing, and you can see it actually put a hole in the ground here. But it took out, the surge took out the entire sidewalk here. Don't know if this is safe to walk on. But look at the power of the surge here. So this water here must have been up really, really high to take this out. And let's see, what is that, a boat down there in the submerged?